So hello everyone, this will be our last video. In this video, it will be the last thing. In this video, we will be finally fixing our UI and we'll be completing the project. In the last video, we saw how we actually added the diamond image as the asset image in the app. And in this video, we will be changing the color of the app and we will be giving the final touch to the app. So let's begin. And if you are coming to the channel for the first time, first go and subscribe and like the video if you like the video, and just go and check the playlist. If you're coming to the channel for the first time, this is the final video of the app. The playlist is uploaded fully, so you can go and check the application, how we develop the application. This is a very basic and primary application which every developer, like every Flutter developer, should do, build at the starting, okay, at the starting of their career. So go and just follow this tutorial. And so let's begin the thing. So if you remember, in our app we actually have a black background. Okay, so for having a black background, what we will do, so in the previously we have a center, okay, and in that center we have an image. So what we will do, we will just collapse this thing, and we will use, just cut this thing. And instead of cutting this thing, I will do, like, let it be at that there, and I will add the color as the scaffold. Okay, so I will add a black color at the scaffold, so a black color here. So if I refresh, so just give a minute. Okay, let me rerun the app. So if I run the app, so our diamond is in the center and we have a black screen. Okay, now what I will like to do, just close the scaffold, no, just close the body in the app bar. So what I will like to do, I will like to change the color of the text, and also the change the color of the header. So before that, I would like to bring the elevation of this to 0. So what's the elevation actually, before, if I just remove the color, if I change the color from black to maybe normal color. So if I just rerun the app, okay, just this is elevation property. If I rerun the app and if I didn't make the elevation as 0, okay, so what you can see, the app has a little bit shadow here. Okay, just look at my cursor, you can see that there is a little bit shadow behind the app bar. Okay, so I don't want this shadow to be there. So the color should on the app will be like the perfect and consistent. So I just remove that. Okay, and after removing that, let me make the body of the app as black. And after that, so let me also make the amber color. So amber color, background color. So let me remove the orange color and let me make it black. Okay, and run the app, so it will be black. And in this text, I will like to change the text. So we will go for the styling property and we will add a text style, and in the text style we will add a color, and the color will be orange. Okay, so color colors, okay, not color, like colors dot orange. We'll have an orange color there, and run the app. So we have our orange color text there. So let me just increase the font size a little bit. So let me do it 24, maybe. Yeah, a little bit bigger, like 30. Okay, let me just make it 30. Yeah, it's looking good. So finally our app is ready. So you can just have the app, you can just show it off, we have built our first app. And really, this is a very decent looking app. So trust me, this is a very decent looking app. I saw a lot very basic apps, on the Play Store and on the App Store also. So congratulations to all of you, for following the entire series, up to this, and building the app along me. So I wish you luck, and our next app building series will be live soon, so follow along. And if you also want to learn the basic of the programming, like we are teaching here, like C++, Python, or every language, every topic will be published on this channel. So if you want those videos also, so do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. And thank you all. So bye, and I will see you on next, and on any other video of the channel, or any another playlist. Okay, so keep learning, keep smiling. So bye.